Hi guys, this is just a quick comparison of a Filco mechanical keyboard with brown switches using rubber O-rings as dampeners compared to the standard keycaps, which when bottomed out have that clicking sound. Now I've already applied O-rings to the keys up here on Q, W, E, R and T, so if you just listen to this now, this is with the O-ring dampening, and then a key without it, for example the V without. Now it's not quite as quiet as I was hoping, but there is that more high-pitched click which is removed with the O-ring. So just again the V compared to the R, so still very much audible, but not with that high-pitched click. Now it's pretty easy to do. These are just 4mm inner diameter O-rings which I got off eBay, and as you'll probably be able to see here, they just slide over a cylindrical part which then goes onto the switch itself. Now I don't know if it's the same with all keyboards, but I think some of the noise, certainly from the Filco, is from the black surround on the brown switch itself. So this is a key switch, sorry, just itself, which is as good as silent really, but if I was to take an O-ring and just hit it against the black here, you can just hear there's a bit of movement there, which is plastic on plastic itself, which is contributing, I believe, to the sound you get anyway. But there is an improvement, and for the best part of what was about £4 for 120 O-rings, it's probably worth doing if you want to cut the noise down a little bit. So the QWERTY with, and then the bottom row without. Hope this helps.